Dr. M.V. Shetty Institutions, Mangaluru. Empowering dreams and achieving greatness since 1985. Dr. M.V. Shetty College prides itself in its history of 38 years. It undertook path-breaking initiatives in Indian higher education with the introduction of innovative and modern curricula, insistence on academic discipline, imparting of holistic education, and adoption of global higher education practices with the support of creative and dedicated staff. First private college in Karnataka offering diverse healthcare programs, offers you multiple of courses. Dr. M.V. Shetty Institutions is a nurturing ground for an individual's holistic development to make effective contribution to the society in a dynamic environment. Dr. M.V. Shetty Institutions, Kavu Road, Vidyanagar, Mangaluru, Karnataka 575013. Contact 0824 248 1048, 0824 248 1096. Website www.mvshettycolleges.edu.in.